A forgotten Lancia sleeps in the forest, buried under rust, dust, and time. A rare rally legend waits quietly, covered in rust, mud, and forgotten memories. Every panel tells the same story: neglect, weather, and time. The door opens slowly, revealing dust, torn seats, and silence inside. The seats are torn open, carrying the marks of years forgotten. Dust covers the dashboard, but the spirit of the car remains. A tow strap connects gently, beginning the rescue of the forgotten Lancia. Slowly, the forgotten rally car leaves the forest behind. The old Lancia climbs onto the trailer, ready for a second life. At Classic Restore Hub, the real restoration finally begins. Under studio lights, every scratch and rust mark becomes clear. The tools are prepared carefully, but the transformation must begin slowly.
Water removes the surface dirt, but the scars remain underneath.
Thick foam softens the grime, but the old damage still remains. The wheel slowly releases years of mud and brake dust. The dirt is gone, but the real restoration has only just begun. Tools are prepared carefully before the first true teardown begins.
The first screws come out slowly, starting the careful teardown.
The cloudy headlight loosens with quiet clicks and careful hands. Rusty bumper bolts loosen slowly under steady pressure. The front bumper comes away, exposing hidden rust and grime.
The side skirt releases, uncovering dirt hidden for years.
The side skirt releases, uncovering dirt hidden for years. The rear bumper separates, revealing another layer of hidden decay. The cracked rubber seal peels away from the aged frame.
Loose dust and leaves disappear, but the damaged cabin remains.